Today, the Commission on Human Rights, and in fact the name Commission on Human Rights was adopted in 1967 as being a more appropriate title for the agency and the role that it was required to perform. Today, the agency works to carry out its statutory responsibility to enforce laws that prohibit unlawful discrimination in employment, in housing, in public accommodation, and in credit transactions. It monitors compliance with contracts and also ensures affirmative action in state agencies. It works also in the area of education and outreach. Connecticut's Commission on Human Rights is in place. It's enforcing the laws against discrimination to ensure that there is equal opportunity, certainly in the areas in which it has oversight. Over this past weekend, the march again in Washington occurred to commemorate what happened in 1963. And John Lewis, in speaking, he said, even though the most brutal days of the civil rights struggle are for the most part gone, the struggle for a more perfect America goes on. We must continue to make strides towards that dream, the dream of a more perfect America.